Mosquitoes, roaches, fire ants, termites, bed bugs. Are you itching yet? Let's talk about pest control in Gainesville. Pest control. Something you really want to pay attention to when you own a home and when you're buying a home. A WDO, known as a wood destroying organism inspection, is where you have a pest control company come in to check for termites, wood rot, any kind of fungus or pest issues. Really important to know before you buy anything. But there's more beyond the initial WDO when you buy a house. Once you own a house, you want to make sure you're maintaining it. And the first thing you should look at is that you're working with a company that is licensed and part of a national, state, or local pest management association. In Florida, termites are a huge deal. There's several different types of termites and they can all cause a huge headache to any homeowner. In addition to doing inspections, another great way to protect your home are with the bait stations that companies can bury around the perimeter of your home. In fact, Centricon, one of the most well-known systems in the world, was actually invented by a graduate student in the entomology department right here at the University of Florida. And in addition to the pest control and the bait stations, you also want to make sure when it comes to termites that you are keeping moisture away from your home. Termites love them some moisture. Be sure that you're checking your gutters, downspouts, splash blocks, and the overall foundation of your home. If there's shrubbery or vines that are growing on or near your house or have potential to cover up any vents and prevent that ventilation, you want to make sure you nix that because that is a perfect breeding ground for those little suckers. This kind of maintenance is super important, not only for protecting your home and maintaining it, but it's also crucial for resale potential. I can't tell you how many times I've seen deals fall apart over major maintenance issues or having to tent a home for termites. When it comes to pest control, it's much better to be ahead of the game. And in addition to termites, you can also consult your companies for mosquitoes, bees or any other kind of stinging insects, roaches, fire ants, and bed bugs. Just make sure that you're using a company that is licensed and reputable, and once you start your maintenance program, be sure not to let it lapse. Part of being a good homeowner and protecting your investments is taking care of them. So in addition to handling your pest control, be sure to check out my video on the top things you need to do before you leave town. Am I the only one who gets really itchy talking about bed bugs and roaches? Just make sure that you're calling your pest professionals, and I'm Lindsey Johnson. Itchy or not, still your resource for all things real estate. See you next time.